Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to extend the life of the toner cartridges within your HL-L2865DW using continue mode on the printer. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now when you get the replace toner message on your printer, it can be quite easy to think that particular consumable is done with and you need to pop in another. However, printers like this one have the built-in ability to continue using the cartridge until the printer is completely sure it's expended the usable toner within the cartridge. And we give the printer the thumbs up to carry on using a toner it thinks it needs replacing directly from the machine itself. So, from the printer menu, we're going to use the up and down arrows until we get general setup shown on the screen. We press OK to go in. And we're going to use this down arrow again until we get to replace toner. And we press OK to go into that. And the default menu will be stop from a cartridge. And even if you selected to use continue before, once a new cartridge goes in, it will go back to this. So please do keep that in mind. But if we press down, as you can see, we've got continue and there's no asterisk like it had on the stop. And we turn on continue mode simply by pressing OK. And from this point, you can carry on using the installed toner cartridge until you get the very final message of toner ended, in which case it's time to replace it. Now, in bringing up this replace toner message, your printer is trying to look after you. It's trying to keep sufficient toner within the cartridge so that you don't see a degradation in print quality. And by enabling continue mode, you do leave yourself open to this, and you might eventually start to see lines or faded prints start to sneak in. So do keep that in mind, rather than assuming there is an issue with the toner cartridge itself. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.